Dear friend, today COVID-19 has played a major impact on our GDP, major impact in the minds of people, and whole economy, whole country is totally shattered. But if you look at today's scenario, is it the same COVID-19 effect as we have seen in March, last week of March, and today, first week of October? I'm just talking on that. My name is P.N.S. Pathak. I'm profession by chartered accountant. I am writing a blog. My blog address is blogspot.com. The opinion shared in my YouTube channel and all these are my personal opinion, and they are just indicative of. You have to make your own choice. Medical and research science and protocol. The medical and research science and protocol for patients has made a big difference for government, medical practice, and general practice public so not over because of COVID-19 in March and now first week of October. Now, many more people have a question: when will COVID go? What will happen? And how economy will be affected? How mindset one needs to be changed? That is the purpose for which we have taken a call. After hearing all this talk, you will not have as much theory as you had previously about this COVID, because we have given you very now patients are better treated than before. Mortality and severity of disease has gone down severely from March till October. The mortality has gone down severely. Severity of the patient which were affected previously has also gone down. People and patients and family are finally more adaptable to COVID-19. Now, if you look at after this presentation, you will feel that COVID is there, COVID-19 is there, and what step you need to take, and what medical science is going to do if COVID has happened. So you need not be panic of COVID now. That is what our conversation is. So please. Why protocol? Why important protocol have made a sea change in the when pandemic entered in India in last week of March, and now major lockdown in the lockdown for 2-3 months has saved many lives. Lockdown was started in first week of last week of March and continued in many parts in a different way, but 2 months were total lockdown. Now in October and March, why important protocol in the giving in how to handle the patient who have a pandemic, who have got a COVID-19, has made a sea change in the impact of COVID. First protocol, COVID-19 was initially thought to cause a death due to pneumonia like a lung infection. And so what they were focusing on lung infection. And so they want more and more ventilators. As soon as the breathing problems start, they would start focusing on pneumonia, ventilator, giving oxygen. Now we know that just improving oxygen by ventilator will not help. But we have to prevent and dissolve the microclot in the lungs. This is why we are using drugs like aspirin and heparin. These are blood thinners that prevent clotting. As protocol treatment regime started in June 20. Previously, parties used to drop. Now the second point. Previously, the patient used to drop dead on the road. They were walking and they're dead. Before the patient get taken to hospital, they become severe and many times dead because due to reduced oxygen in their blood, oxygen saturation was happening. What was the cause? Hypoxia is a disease where as soon as oxygen is not available in the blood, people like gasping, they feel breathing problem. As soon as in 90%, less than 90, less than 90% of this thing in a blood, people get hypoxia. But in COVID, it is called happy hypoxia. As soon as, even though your breathing problem would not start, even if it goes as low as 70% in blood state, this was called happy hypoxia. And because of that, COVID-19 patient would have an oxygen very low level, which was affecting in many ways. And what happened? Because it has lasted a very long period of time without oxygen, it was very difficult to recover the patient from oxygen problem. And many times ventilators were missing for a long time. One ventilator was used for so many years, so many days. Now, what is the solution for that? Now, since knowing about the happy hypoxia, we are monitoring the oxygen in all COVID patients with a simple home use pulse oximeter and getting them to hospital if the oxygen saturation drops, say below 90%, 93% level. In Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal Saab in Delhi has given a pulse oximeter free to the person who have got COVID-19. They can return back. Because of that, in the hospital becomes free from patients. Only those patients are admitted, those who have oxygen problem. As soon as the oxygen problem is not there, COVID patients also started improving very drastically, dramatically. This gives more time to doctor to correct oxygen deficiency in the blood. And in June 20, this has started happening. So this second protocol. First is what I said is blood coating issue. The second is oxygen issue. Third protocol. We did not have drugs to fight coronavirus in February 20. We were only treating the complication caused by it called hypoxia. Hence, most of the party become severely infected. Now we have two important medicines, Fevinier and Remdesivir. These are antiviral medication. Say, for example, in case of Trump, Mr. Trump, President of USA, was given a dose of Remdesivir, and he was de-hospitalized, within 3 days of time. And he is this simple of a person who is meeting a lot of persons because of his election campaign, plus he is above 70, plus he is overweight. In spite of that, this medicine works. So now it has become how safe this COVID-19 is. You can have it. You can judge it also. These are antiviral, can kill the coronavirus. By using these two medicines, we can prevent patients from becoming severely infected and therefore cure them before they go to hypoxia. This knowledge we have in September 20, not in February 20. 5 major changes for fourth major protocol 4. Many COVID-19 patients die not just because of virus, but also due to patient's own immune system responding in an exaggerated manner called cytokine storm. What do you mean by cytokine storm? Their own immune system killing their own body. This storming strong immune response not only kills the virus but also kills the patient. In February 20, we did not know how to prevent it from happening. वो उसकी जो है उसकी कोई दवाई नहीं थी, immune system preventing themselves. In September 2020, we know that easily available medicine called steroids that doctor around the world has been using since more than 80 years. They prevent cytokine storm from patients. So now patients are not dying. What generally they were doing? They were improving the immune system. Now it was not required at all because immune system is already there. And but our immune system was creating a problem. So this has been reduced now. Now also know that people of people become better just not by making lie down. एक फिफ्थ कैटेगरी क्या था इनको अगर इनको जिसको ब्रीदिंग इशू है in that case just they put their belly in such a way that prone position, they call it the prone position. It has been used in US in a big way uh, to improve the patient's lung tissue for hypoxia. Apart from this, a few days ago, Israeli scientists have discovered that a chemical known as alpha deficient produced by the patient's white blood cells can cause a microclot in the blood vessel of blood lungs, and this could possibly be prevented by a drug called cocaine, which is used for gout for a very long, for a decade ago. This gout medicine, gout persons are using these medicines very long. So it is very effective medicine. Now, effect of this protocol 1 to 5. So now we are sure that patients have a better chance of surviving COVID-19 infection in October now than in February. India has not picked up in April because of lockdown. This strategy has postponed the COVID-19 pandemic in India by 3 crucial months that was enabled us to save the thousands of lives. Going forward, now what? Going forward, there is nothing to panic about COVID-19. If you remember that a person who gets infected later has a better chance of survival than who has been infected in March. Let's all follow some simple precautions like 6 feet distancing from others. Whenever you are in office, whenever you are outside, see that you are at a distance more than 6 feet from anyone. And you are wearing a mask, wearing a proper mask. Wearing a mask means your mask is above the nose as well as the mouth. So this prevents infection from your side as well as other side. Prefer work from home wherever possible. Avoid personal meeting wherever possible. Order home delivery of food, groceries, and vegetables. Don't buy vegetables. Put online order. Stay home during lockdown as well as quarantine period. Hand wash and hygiene is a must. The most important thing, if you lie down on your stomach, then there is more oxygen flow to your lungs. So your breathing will be more easier. Use oximeter to check the oxygen level. This is most important. This oximeter is available for around 1,000, 1,500. Keep exercising. Exercising is a must to keep your body fit. Keep feeling safe. So now whole atmosphere of a deep drown. Just avoid. No panic. Keep enjoying. Keep relax. Keep feeling good. Have a feel good factor. Talk and accept pandemic COVID-19. I say talk and accept about COVID. It doesn't mean that we have invited COVID. Now it is there. It is going to stay around for a while. You can beat the virus. If someone tells you everyone is going to get infected by the virus, tell them that you are willing to wait to be the last person. Who knows, by then we might have a vaccine very soon. The 5C changes which I have talked earlier, pneumonia was stated, now it is microclot is stated through aspirin heparin. Hypoxia is a main issue of oxygen deficiency. We are using oximeter to have an advanced information that our our oxygen level has reduced. Favipiravir remdesivir is the medicine uh, to fight with coronavirus. Immune system, where we were strengthening the immune system, now we are not doing that. We are having steroids to have immune system to fight with the corona. Prone position, we are working on the prone position that will give your lungs sufficient oxygen. Alpha deficient is used by the syndrome founded by Israel, and we have a gout medicine, colicin, to um, support our immune system. Now, simple precautions, like I'm not a doctor, but a CA by profession. Read lot of mine. Come to Zoom. We are always taking class for every year. Every Friday at 6:30 by Isaka chapter. Please register for this class. This is my personal follow and consult doctors. I'm not a doctor. I've read somewhere and I've presented a paper. Now I see, just live happily, live freely. Do not afraid of COVID. Take all precautions which you can take as a precaution. When I come home from outside, I just I just take my bath, remove all my clothes and quarantine for a day, and take my gargle, take my toothbrush and everything. So when I come from outside, I see that my whole body become clean. And even if I have some infection of a corona, it doesn't enter my house. I keep all my clothes for 24 days, and then I keep gargling, keep myself fresh. Everything which I need to do is doing, and still I would be preferring that I would be having a last corona. Until then, there will be maybe some vaccine. This is how one should follow. Just read again. Thank you very much. See you again.